Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will explain how you can attach a PDF file to your emails. In Boma, you have the ability to attach PDF documents to a campaign. This could be for things like an ebook, an onboarding document, or simply an instructions guide. Let me show you how to do this. I have opened up a campaign that I have been working on, and I'm currently sitting in the email editor. In the text field, start typing the heading for the linked document. An example of this could be, click here to download your guide. Once done, highlight the text and then click on Insert and Edit Link. In the pop-up, click on the Link Type drop-down menu and select File Manager. From here, click on Upload and then select the PDF document on your computer. Once you have uploaded the document, select Insert to attach the PDF to the file. You can then click on OK. Once you click Save and Close, the PDF will then be saved to the email. Once the reader clicks on the PDF link, the document will automatically start to download to their computer or smaller device. If you would like to learn more about attaching PDF documents to your email campaigns, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or simply use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.